Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question is divided by 2 divided by 7 into 7. First, let's solve the question. Divided by 2, 4 divided by 7 into 7, 49. 4 upon 49. The direct answer seems correct, but that's actually the wrong answer. Let's write the question again. 8 divided by 2 by 7 into 7 according to the BODMAS rule. First, we solve the brackets, then division and multiplication, since division and multiplication have the same priority. So we'll check from left to right. As we move from left to right, whichever comes first will be done first, and then the next operation will follow. In the same way, for addition and subtraction, we look at the order from left to right. Here, division comes first, and then multiplication. So we'll solve the division first. We'll perform the division before the multiplication, and then we'll write this as the fraction 7 divided by 2, and then reverse the order of the numbers. 7 goes into 28 exactly 4 times. Now, 4 times 7, that becomes 4 times 49, which gives us a final result of 196. This is the answer.